Hi everyone. So today I have come up with some very interesting updates in the Chrome extension retrieve metadata and data from Salesforce. This will be version 2.2.5. So in this version I have basically three very interesting updates which I'll be talking about in next few minutes. So let's get started. So the first very interesting update that I am introducing in this new version is under the SOQL section. So from now onwards, this extension will support the tooling API version of the SOQL as well. So you can, from now onwards, you can simply run the query using tooling API by just clicking this checkbox button. So let's see one example like how it works. So along with the normal SOQL, let's say this is a normal SOQL and you can easily run it by clicking the retrieve button. So as you know that on clicking this use tooling API, it will not work as always. It will show us S object type account is not supported since this is not a valid tooling API object. So let's try to run a query on some tooling API objects. So I'll be querying on the custom tab. So let's write the query first. So this is my query. Select ID description developer name type from custom tab limit 10. As you know that if I do not select this use tooling API button, it will not work. It will tell me this is not a valid and some error with respect to this tooling API object. So on clicking of this tooling API object, if you now run this query, so you can see that it gives us the values, all the records from the custom tab tooling API object. So you can also navigate by clicking on this link to the respective tooling API record. So this is a lightning component tab. As you can see, this is account home tab, the same as it is mentioned here. So this is a very first feature that I've introduced. The second one will be the SOSL. So it was not there earlier. So right now, with some very interesting feedbacks from the people who are already using this extension, I've thought of introducing this SOSL, which will be very much beneficial for a lot of developers and admins working in the Salesforce platform. So this is in that beta version right now. So, but it supports SOSL obviously. So the reason being it is in beta is that I have tested most of the scenarios, but still, like if the users, like if you guys find any issues or any concerns with running any kind of SOSL queries, then do let me know. I'll try to fix that in the next version. So let's try to run one SOSL query and see how it works. So for an example, I would like to find the text test on all fields, which will be returned, and I'll be returning the records from account, contact, and opportunity, right? So let's write the query first. Okay, so this is my query where I'll be searching for this test text in all the fields. of account, contact, and opportunity. And if match is found, then it will return the ID and name fields from this account object, ID and name fields from contact object, and ID and name fields from opportunity object. Right. So let's now run this query. So you can see that I have got all the results which contains the uh, text in any of the ID or name field, like any in all the fields of account, contact, and opportunity, and it has returned me the fields of account, contact, opportunity. So you can see that I have bifurcated the result into three different parts, like based on the returning fields and the objects. So as you can see, that first one is the first column is of the object, which is determine which object does this record belong to. So this is from the account object, and it has given me the ID and name. You can also click through the link and it will take you to that particular account record. So let's open it. So you can see this is a test account RDSCS, right? This is the account, same as it is mentioned here. Similarly, I have got a couple of contact records as well. You can simply click through this link and go to the record. And the last one, you can see that it's a we have found one opportunity with the text as test. So if we click on this link as well, then it will take you to the opportunity record. So let's also open this record. So you can see this is a test opportunity, right? And it has a name test opportunity. That is why it has returned me the result. So yeah, this is how this SOSL would work, and you can expect this kind of result from this SOSL query. This I hope is very much useful, and it will give you the like results separated by the object column. So it will be very easy to like filter out the records, and you can also export it, right? And you can simply see it. So this is a account, contact, and opportunity. You can also, like based on this column, you can simply filter it and do all the necessary manipulations and all, right? So you can see that. So this is very helpful, like to basically work return if the SOSL has returned multiple objects, and you can easily browse through all the records and download the records, export the records, and do the necessary modifications and check the records. So I hope you find this feature as also very much useful in your day-to-day work in Salesforce platform. And the third feature is actually very much interesting. Like it is ideally kind of I just thought of making this retrieval of the records and everything, metadata and data from this extension a little bit uh, like what do you say, like funnier or kind of interesting. So for that, I have introduced one very interesting thing. So let me show you a bit. Uh, so what it will do is whenever you will click on this retrieve button, it will present you with this. As you can see that it has been flashed for a second or so till the time it has retrieved the results. So if there are lots and lots of results, then you can simply wait for it and can enjoy the virtual dance. I think you will find this very much useful, or at least interesting to use this extension in your day-to-day work. So definitely do let me know your feedback, and in the next couple of minutes you will see this particular thing in more action. So let's watch that particular video where you will get to see how this uh, the two people has is making their dance moves and can keep you engaged till the time the extension is working on retrieving the records from your Salesforce org. So yeah, do enjoy it and do let me know in the comments below. And you can also email me your queries or issues if any. And yeah, cheers for that. Thank you everyone for listening to this demo. And yeah, one more thing before I log off, like one more thing I need to add is that as you can see here, the new version is version 2.2.5 is also mentioned here. This is also a link. So on clicking this link, it will take you to the this particular demo video, which I am currently making. So you can also watch it anytime, like off, and can know more about like all these three features that I've discussed in this particular video anytime. So I hope this you find this useful, and do let me know your comments and feedbacks in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.